Take off the spray valve and plug in the ring in. Put it back to the hose with the black washer. Install the 12-inch ball brackets to the riser pipe. Tighten up the hook and also the ball bracket. Install the hook also to the riser pipe. Loosen the iron faucet with an iron wrench. Install it to the riser pipe. Install the 12-inch spout to the iron faucet. And then install the bottom part of the riser pipe to the iron faucet. Tighten the iron faucet with the iron wrench. This is the wall mount type faucet of this production unit. The distance between the foot is 3 inches up until 8 inches apart. Adjust the distance between the foot through your installation hole and then install it to the wall. Install your faucet through a sink or wall. And then your supply water. Rest of the parts the production unit through your base faucet. Spout can swivel 360 degrees. And enjoy your production unit.